Hey everybody, I just wanted to make a video of this dump bit I finally found. So I finally found a dump bit insert for my truck. So I'm gonna go ahead and start getting it ready to put in the truck. I had to end up buying some paint because all of this color right here, I'm gonna try to paint it all and turn it black. It looks like based on some pictures I saw, it looks like it's supposed to be a easy dumper. So this must be like an older model that they had a long time ago. It's got stake pockets on the inside. I think now the new ones have stake pockets on the outside. But yeah, I got it in here and sat it down with the excavator. So at this point, I'm gonna start fixing it up and getting it ready to put in the truck. It came with a pump, but the pump was bad. I'll kind of go over that in a minute. But yep, right now this is where I'm at, and hopefully this weekend I'll have it in the back of the truck. So here's the old pump that the dump bed came with. I tried hooking it up to the 12 volts, and the amperage went all the way to the right side of the meter. I used this here to hook it up, and it went all the way to the right side. So when I tested this with an ohm meter, this motor, it looks like what happened was, I guess the windings in it ended up getting shorted out, because based on the ohm meter on the multimeter, it's shorted to ground. So that's why I found out that's probably the reason. It looks like it might have got some water into something. I tried to clean it up as much as I could. I tried to clean the brushes here, but it looks like it doesn't really matter if it's shorted to ground. On the frame it is. So I'm just going to go ahead and take whatever wires I can to put it on the new motor. So this is the new motor that I ended up just getting in the mail, the new hydraulic pump. Since the old pump is not any good, I ended up getting this one here from Primary Mover. They shipped really quickly, actually. I ordered it online, and it came pretty quick. So it says it's made in America. Well, let's see, built and tested in the USA. I think the other one is like a Chinese pump. I didn't want that. I wanted something made in America. So this is what it looks like, and it came with, or actually I ordered the kit that you could get that comes with wires and connectors. And let me see, I'm not sure what that is. And also, I think, oh yeah, it came with this new hose. So I got the new hose. I think it's 10 feet of hose. So now all I have to do is I've got some connectors that I had to buy to adapt it to the cylinder on the dump bed. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is install these on the end of the hose here, and then put this on the cylinder. And also going to go ahead and wire in this new control that it comes with. So I'm going to go ahead and just wire everything up and then hook it up to the bed and see what happens. Alright, so I was able to hook up the new pump with the hose that it came with down here at the bottom. So now I'm going to try to start using it a little bit. I was able to put my fluid in here, transmission fluid. It's a 4-quart bottle. So now I should be able to use it here and kind of get an idea of what it looks like. So it is working. It's a lot quieter than I thought it would be. And I've got the hose plumbed in right there. Fortunately, there was no leaks or anything, so that's good. So, yep. now that I know that it's working good and everything, I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the truck with the excavator. So let's see, down. Facing the wrong way. If I could just turn it around. That's it there in the air. So now that I got it in the air, I can kind of look it over a little bit. But yeah, it should be ready to go in. I'm gonna go ahead and move the truck underneath it because I don't want to have to spin it around. Now I should be able to just sit it down in there. I'll go ahead and take the tailgate off the truck. I was gonna leave it there just temporarily, but I figure I might as well go ahead and remove it now. So she's in there now. Again, I gotta do some painting, but it's there. There should be a hole down there. What I'm gonna do is lift it up and then work underneath it. There's like a little lever that you can put under there to keep it from falling. But other than that, yeah, it's ready to be worked on and all of that. Let me go ahead and put the battery in. So like I say, the pump is there. I'm just gonna put the battery in and raise it up. So now it's up and I got the pole here, so I don't have to worry about it falling and killing me. But yeah, it looks like there's a little surface rust here. Nothing too crazy. Take the strap out and bolt it down to the bed, and yeah, that should be it. Finally got a dump bed. It took forever for me to find one. I finally got one. Let's see. So I'll put the pump over there on the inside, and I don't know, I may leave the battery in front as well. If I do that, instead of running a wire to the batteries of the truck, I might leave the battery here and then have a solar panel up there for it. That way I don't have to worry about it anymore. So now I'm trying to do a test fit here to make sure, try to figure out where I can put this pump and this battery to where this doesn't fall down and touch anything here. If there's enough room, I'm gonna leave the battery here and put some covers over it, and then probably somehow strap this down so it doesn't move. So yeah, that hopefully will not cause any problems. I may have to make some adjustments here to where this is pointing, but it comes down here, so I think it will work. Might make it, I don't know. So anyway, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna go ahead and start painting it and finishing up. But what I'll do is I'll make another video once I get it painted and mounted. I'll come back and see if we can, show some videos of it actually in use. So until next time, that's it.